You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian. It also exists in Spanish, so depending which language you're looking for, well, they actually have the same pronunciation, so it's not going to matter. It's pronounced pesca. Both in Italian and Spanish are very similar. Italian pronunciation pesca, Spanish say la pesca, so it's similar. La pesca in Spanish is fishing. In Italian, it's either also fishing or peach, the fruit, la pesca. Yes, that's how you pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.